implement and understand such line of research, but also to conduct and be part of text-based research projects. And this project is a first step in approaching this challenge, and it rests on a vision that we don't have to convert political scientists into data scientists, but rather create a platform in which they can do data science without training or coding or programming. And we established such platform that's supposed to serve as a one-stop shop and addresses the challenges of both data collection and data analysis by both hosting a library of different textual corpora and allowing to analyze them through Spike. Spike is an open software platform developed by Professor Yoav Goldberg from the Computer Science Department here at BIU and with collaboration with the Allen Institute for AI. And Spike is purposed to provide domain experts, like us, with advanced text analysis tools under a streamlined interface that doesn't require programming. The vision is that researchers and students would be able to have access to different textual databases and employ different types of textual analysis in order to understand through text different aspects of international relations. We execute this vision in a three-step working plan in which we first collect and prepare various textual datasets in IR, then embed them into the Spike platform, and then eventually disseminate and publicize this platform for free usage in academic context. Let me tell you what we've done so far. First, data collection. We made a list of 10 potential corpora, which we deemed as important and interesting to the general audience of IR researchers. We then identified each of them in terms of scope, scale, and complexity, and started building textual datasets, including metadata, preparing them for textual analysis. Much of this work was made by Efrat, my PhD student there, so thank you, Efrat. This is the most time-consuming phase, as it requires studying the unique feature of each corpus and also cope with various complexity challenges. Then, secondly, we now upload each corpus to the Spike platform and do some work in checking and assuring that the dataset is appropriate for analysis, providing necessary metadata, including the division for subsets in specific cases. This is more or less where we are now, and in the next and final phase, which is supposed to take place in the upcoming months, we will invest efforts in designing and completing the platform so it would be accessible, including preparing tutorials that would enable us to go public and offer this platform for academic usage for researchers and students alike. So this is our project in a nutshell, and I will finish this brief presentation in a very, very short demonstration of a possible application in a research context. This is an example from a research project that I'm conducting these days, and this project focuses on claims often made by Israeli diplomats and politicians on a biased and politicized treatment to Israel by other states, mainly in the context of the United Nations. And what we've done using Spike was to analyze a database of state speeches in the United Nations General Assembly and use various dictionaries to first understand the extent to which Israel is indeed singled out by other states in the General Assembly. This is true, it is singled out.